AI and robots are evolving quicker than any of us can keep up. That's why today I'll be sharing with you the top 9 pieces of AI and robotics news that you may have missed in April 2024. From groundbreaking innovations that will make you more productive to futuristic robots that exist just because they can. Many of these will feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. Alright, let's get started. To start off easy here, we've got some pretty groundbreaking advancements coming from Adobe that's changing the world of filmmaking. The launch of Adobe's new generative AI tools marked a monumental leap in video editing capabilities. These tools help video editors effortlessly manipulate scene elements by extending shots or seamlessly adding and removing objects, all while incorporating powerful AI models like Sora from OpenAI and Runway right into the workflow. Now, these generative AI tools are not just for video editing. They're already available to designers using Photoshop. So while these amazing tools are adding more fuel to the fire of the digital renaissance that's taking place, make sure to think twice before immediately believing posts that come up in your social media feed. Kicking things up a notch, we have a huge advancement coming from Microsoft. VAS 1 by Microsoft is a software that has the ability to turn any static image into a fully live talking head video. VAS 1 is a framework for generating lifelike talking faces of virtual characters, given only a single static image and a speech audio clip. Microsoft is saying that this tool paves the way for real-time engagements with lifelike avatars that emulate human conversational behavior. Here's an example in action. Check out this quick clip of Mona Lisa rapping. What do you think of this? Let me know in the comment section below.
See, I tell the truth from what I see and sell it to Perez Hilty. Don't call me scuzzy, making money, that's my job, celeb photography. What? Hell no, I'm not needy.
Before we move on to number 4, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I'm saving the most interesting pieces of news for last, so make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Up next, actors are finding themselves taking on more and more commercial gigs as they start to see Hollywood creating lifelike 3D clones to replace them. This environment essentially takes pictures of hundreds of different angles, mouth movements, and facial expressions to make lifelike 3D clones of the actor. Combined with AI technology, we're starting to see these clones taking more and more gigs from human talent. Alright, I never thought I'd ask this question, but have you ever wanted a robot dog that could shoot fire out of its mouth? As of April 2024, a company based out of Ohio has made exactly that. And it's legal to buy in 48 states as of the time of making this video. The Terminator has a price tag of $9,420. It's surprisingly affordable for a robot dog that shoots fire. The company producing this unique robot is saying that it can help with the following: wildfire control and prevention, agricultural management, ecological conservation, snow and ice removal, entertainment and sound effects. It also comes with the following features: 30 feet firing range, remote operation, obstacle avoidance, laser sighting. This next piece just might solve the world's problems. This farming robot is the Laser Weeder from Carbon Robotics. This robot is a powerhouse, operating 24/7 without a break. Here's why it's fascinating. It's equipped with a sophisticated AI laser-based system that targets weeds with sub-millimeter accuracy. This precision allows it to eliminate thousands of weeds quickly, ensuring they don't compete with crops for water, nutrients, and sunlight. What's impressive is its ability to maintain the integrity of the organic label for farmers. Since it operates without herbicides or chemicals, it's not only effective, but also environmentally friendly. Plus, it avoids disturbing the soil, unlike traditional mechanical weeding methods. This piece of technology is revolutionizing how we approach farm management and crop care. Starting off our top 3, we have an update that is going to make you more productive. On April 24th, OpenAI began rolling out an update to ChatGPT Plus users to introduce memory into ChatGPT. Now, you can tell it to remember anything that you want, and it'll store that information for later use. The memory is claimed to be unlimited and can work across various chats. However, at the time of this video, memory does not carry over to custom GPTs. This feature is expected to be available in the future for custom GPTs with no official release date at this time. Do you remember Heelys? Well, now there's an AI-powered shoe that's exactly like them with enhanced roller skates that help you move quicker on the go. They come from a company called Shift Robotics. Shift Robotics claims that these shoes increase walking pace by 250%. These shoes are designed to help you walk further, faster, and with less effort. And finally, we have an exoskeleton suit made for hiking. This impressive gadget is designed to mimic the way that humans walk and our natural movement in order to assist you in outdoor activities like climbing steep hills, running, and cycling. It helps you move quicker on hiking trails and improves your ability to output more performance with less effort. The Hypershell comes with 1 horsepower and the ability to increase your max running speed by up to 12 miles per hour. Its unique AI motion-based design can assist you in pushing your limits in the following activities: rock climbing, race walking, running, walking, and cycling. Alright, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to click the video that's on screen now. I'll see you in the next video.